Hi, I'm Manisha. My daughter Navya, she studies here in MPC first year. I got to know about Gatik from social media normally. When I visited the college, I like the campus, I like the way they are operating here. And once she get admitted here, I was kind of a spectacle about getting her admissions because they operate in a different way compared to other colleges. But in the first meeting and in 2 months of her performance, I'm really happy with the college. They are doing really great. She is doing really great, and I'm really happy with all this. She wants to be a robotic engineer, and the AI course here is helping her really a lot. I'm also happy with the way they are helping with her growing different activities, and she been selected as a vice captain also of her house. So that is again giving her a new way of communicating with the people, presenting herself in public. That's all. I'm really happy with everything.
I'm aiming for JEE Mains Advanced along with PITSAT. The faculty here is helping me train for those exams, prepare questions, and conducting mock exams every week to help prepare for the situation where to answer in time with accuracy. So speed and accuracy, they are helping with that. Even the modules they have given are very helpful for the same.